What's going on? Today we're gonna go ahead and replace this shift knob with this new Mishimoto weighted shift knob, and I will show you how to take this one off and install the new one. So what you're gonna want to do is just sometimes these come super tight, but mine already came loose, so I'm able to turn it. Usually you have to put a rag around it, get some channel locks, and break it loose. But in my case, it's already loose, so we'll go ahead and take it off. And the other shift knob, well, the one that I got, it comes with 3 different adapters that go in here. That way it can fit to the right thread. So let's go ahead and get those adapters, which are these. I don't know if you can see. Different sizes. So let's go ahead and get that. Right, and what you're gonna want to do is just go ahead and try each one to see which one's the right one. And it's hard doing it with one hand. All right, let's see this one. Yeah, no, it's not this one either. Might be the last one. Must not even fit. No. Oh wait, I was putting it the wrong way, I think. So it's not this one. Okay, not that one. Oh yeah, I was putting it the wrong way. So just make sure, I don't know if you can see that, but you have to put it in with this side in. So let's go ahead and see. The first thing I said. All right. Screw that one in. I'll just go ahead and turn it. Dang, this thing is hard. Okay, make sure it goes all the way in. That thing is slippery. Hands all sweaty. Well, usually this thing, you can also get some adapters that go here. It can be there, but I'm trying to get a short shift shift knob. It's not bad. Yeah, I didn't really like this one. This one's, it's too big from here. Yeah, this one's way better. Well, yeah, that's how you install this shift knob. I will try to make more videos on the Z. Probably the next mod would probably be, I think, exhaust. If not, intakes. Not too sure yet. But just stay tuned, and I'll go ahead and post those videos. Try to post those videos for you guys. Go ahead and just like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.